is the first stage, idea screening is the second stage, and then we move towards concept development. Here, what you are going to manufacture and market, that concept is further developed and it is tested. The feasibility is checked. The technological aspects are important, as well as acceptance of such new ways of doing things have to be understood and accepted by people. One of the important stages that will follow is marketing strategy development. Strategy is planning for future considering different decision making areas. Not only you consider the product, but you also will have to think about its price, how it will be distributed, how you are going to promote that product, because only then the total offer that you make will be accepted by the customer. Then there is a possibility of profits in the long term. You have to undertake the business analysis, and if you can break even, if you have possibilities of earning profits over a period of time, then only there is point in going ahead with your project. If the business analysis is positive, only in such cases actual product is developed. This is tested in the market. Market testing is very important stage, because when actually that product is consumed by people, seen by people, tested by people, their actual reactions and responses can be observed. And if at this stage some weaknesses, some lacunas are observed, they are to be rectified, and only then in the end commercialization, that is offering the product on a large scale, is to be undertaken. If you want to become commercially successful, it is important that you follow the steps, and based on the results you take a decision. Getting emotionally attached to the concept will not give you profits or long-term presence in the market. You need to have practical and the economic considerations also when you take decisions at every step. These are the kind of processes that are undertaken, and only then the new product enters the market and we all enjoy the fruits of efforts done by people, organizations, to ensure that customers get these kind of new experiences. Thank you.